Welcome back to another Eagle Talon drag build episode. Today, we're gonna make this thing look better. We finally got an intercooler mounting bracket, so we're gonna install our giant, like 3.5, 4-inch intercooler that we've had since we've bought the, hey Mitt, hi. Hey, you doing it too? Anyways, we got an intercooler bracket. We're gonna pull the bumper off and put the intercooler on, and it'll sit a little bit pretty. All right, let's get to it. I want to do the whole drag front end install, but I don't think we're going to do that today. But intercooler is going on today, so there's that. Let's get to it. So we got to install that, but we have to trim the bumper as well, so. All right, we've got the intercooler fitted. We've got a half rad installed. This is all kind of just a mock fit, make sure everything fits. Man, look at that thing. Look at the drag cards coming together. Like I said, I wanted to do the drag front end today, but we're not gonna tackle that today because I don't want it sitting in the sun. Man, look at that thing. All right, back with the Talon build. I'm trying to figure out what the next plan of attack is going to be. Really getting down to crunch time, but dude, look at this car. One step closer. There's no way this is gonna get done by the shootout, but I've got to keep trying. So we're gonna pull the motor today, disassemble it. We're gonna see if this thing can be saved. I've got brake lines, got a lead on a drive shaft, which on Tuesday we should be picking that up. So let's go ahead and get this motor pulled. Let's see if we can rebuild this thing. I've got to figure out how I'm going to do that. So I think pull it, get in the garage, tear it down, and see. I'm gonna pull the head off real quick because it's not, I don't even think it's bolted down.